Number 3 is the official Creality 3D printer. The official Creality 3D printer is one of the most incredible 3D printers for under $600. Prepare to be blown away by its mind-blowing features that will make your creative dreams come to life. With a lightning-fast printing speed of up to 250 millimeters per second, you'll be amazed at how quickly your designs materialize before your eyes. But speed isn't the only trick up its sleeve. This printer boasts a clog-free direct extrusion system that can handle a scorching 300 degrees Celsius, ensuring flawless printing for up to 1,000 hours. The sturdy all-metal cube frame and thick linear shafts provide unwavering stability, resulting in impeccable print quality every time. The CR Touch probe makes bed leveling a breeze, with automatic precision across all 16 points. Plus, the intelligent sensors detect filament runouts and power losses, saving you from any unfortunate mishaps. And let's remember the fantastic PC spring steel build surface. It's sticky enough to hold your prints securely but flexible enough to remove them with a gentle bend effortlessly. You are no more struggling to pry off your creations. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.